So it came all like wrapped up in this and packaged here. And it looks like it's already charged up, which is awesome. Comes with a little light. Car power out and car power in. And regular charger. And my husband says that this will run his CPAP machine for about 3 days if he doesn't use the heat or the humidifier, which he never does anyway. When we go camping, or keep our cell phones seriously charged when we go out Pokemoning, which is exactly what we need. So I plugged in and then I pushed this little button and my phone is charging. Sweet. Well, I will update my review if it quits working in a few days. But he said that you can add a solar panel to it. So that sounds cool. That would charge it, he said, in our Colorado weather in about 12 hours with our Colorado sun. So I will update once we figure out if that all works accurately.